Let's drape a sari. Someone asked me, I think it was Blossom, what safety pins I use. So I use a big one for my pleats and a smaller one for the shoulder. Let's make a start. So you take your sari and you start on the right. Make sure you're wearing your shoes if you have heels, because you don't want those to show from the bottom. I tend to wear flats or trainers, so start at the right, take it around once, and you tuck it in. Then you take it to the end that's called the pallo, which will go on your left shoulder. So hold it between your thumb and your forefinger, and concertina style, just create your pleats. Practice a few times. The more you do it, the better you get. This is how I do my pleats there. And then take it around to the front and pin it on your shoulder, left shoulder. So take it around to the, did I say the front? I meant take it around over your shoulder to the back, just beneath the knees. Then pick up the rest of your sari, the bit that is at the front. Make sure it's all free. And this one this time is a bit twisted, so you gotta make sure that's it. Tuck it in, and then concertina style at the front as well. Thumb and forefinger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give it a shake, tuck it in. And if there's some fabric to the side, you make a little side pleat. And this one's done. So I'm going to wear my pallo open, so I'm going to put one small safety pin on my shoulder now. Like so, and try and get it to the back, right back of your shoulder. There, that one's done. And then one on the inside, so then your pleats won't fall out. You could, some people put here, but putting it on the inside is the best. So you take your safety pin, and hopefully this one's a sharp one. You've got to make sure you get good sharp safety pins, and you push it through, bring it back. And this is a bit that you need a good safety pin for. If this one's going to, it's done it. Okay. And there you have it. Now you're all set. Drape your sari. This is a silk chiffon sari, and you're set. You can hold your sari like this. Have a good day, guys.